do you use social media analytics to know what your audience is wanting and incorporate that into your marketing strategy? When you look at your social media analytics, you're not just looking for views. Everybody gets held up on view count and how many people are viewing your video. While that does give you some good information, it's also important to look at what is getting likes, saves, comments. That engagement is more important than how many views you're getting. If you're getting 200 views, but your engagement rate is high, that tells me that you're reaching your target audience, you're reaching the people who want your content and they're loving it. Saves and comments, I feel like, are where it's at. The more saves you're getting on your content, the more value you're providing your audience, and the more comments that you get. I mean, people are letting you know how they feel, or they're asking follow-up questions that you can use for content. So that is a good indication that you are doing the right stuff. If you want help knowing what content to post to increase views or get more engagement, get more saves, get more comments, and you're just not sure what to post to get that result, I do have a free guide. It's at the link in my bio on the gram. Go grab that and let's scale your business.